Jingtip bagi kubor ki baman la kesni NONGKYNRIH channel sing bahas subscribe nok mentah. MLA ke sora ubak Kevin Malim ulawan ra ha ka jing dot ba thau an ya kamat ba pen sngew ya ka jingmat jing jenjar ba jing shimlanot ke jing gasem chong ba roning nongkeri ubala sha set yap hashnang maushun sharom pan osla bat ban pan jing arab na ka sarkar hanrai na kaliang jong sembut menteri rangba ba Prestone ton song uba pet ya ka tanat pulit ula batai pan ban ha jing dot bar shapang jing dia ha kamit santrik jong na jamang hakabau leitu ba uteu rang ba banyak trok ule sya set yam ha shipai BSF hadin ba trok kala phet krat wat hadin bala pen sange hakawai ka jakra telasi hasurok pan usla dawki hajan gasnong wa kadan uneu MLA ka sora aba batai syapang jingja tat hadu ba roning nongkeri ubadai na gasnong jalan teng ula du sendonnya gejing im namar gejing sya set yam ha shipai BSF ulong ba kaying jong ba roning ka klem yo jing arab ai nak sarkar la kadai nak sarkar pleng na sarkar jela bat kaying kamat jing hadu kata namar kala du yaw kpa jong kaying uba kewin ulagat pat ro ya ka sarkar jela ban a jing arab lani ex gratia ya kane kalong ying ka mat jing namar ka kurim bat ki khun jong ba roning ki chem jinjar bat yikendu jing namar amron shu nong kershan ya kaying ka sem ulong ba kakam kabadai bat kajing tokit bat jing pencitom kan yat kat kum ka an hanrei ka ying jong ba roning kenthum ki khun jong u ki bedang nang rit ki don kampalat ya kajing rap namar la sabna meta kalayat hanrei klem don keno kalat jing rap na kaliang jong ka sarkar habayang bat aju bab uba Prestone ul bata syapang ka ai ka balajia ha ka santring jong mana jemang jong mata snem ha ka por chipeu arpemen mit ulong baka ejahar persya ya shipai BSF umam syam latip keteng lau jor hathanat penusla daw bah ying jong ba roning nongkeri kata u riwek skem nongkenri laong baka trok kabanya daw ba roning kadai ka bakit muj bat ka trok kalami nasionong umthli lai langkot ban leit penhap syaka sem jong trai muj hanrai ondala poi hamau shun u shipai BSF ubasyong ha ka trok BSF kababut nadin jong ka trong kabanyak ubak roning ulas nret kuli poi syaput banyak ubak roning ubak Prestone ula bata syapang gajing senret kuli usipai BSF hakaba na kaliang ki sipai BSF kila ujor kala persya ya ubak roning da kaba keno ba ula phet mangkat gatrok hakate gemit santrik jong mana jemang arjat arpulai haba telasi berta ya gatrok ban sange da sipai BSF jong ka 4th battalion kila apahara hasurok penosla hajan gasnang wa kadan ba Prestone ulong ba haba nyong nyak jong gatrok ula phet ula tenrak ro ya ki sipai BSF ki ba apahara kumta usipai BSF ula singathu ba don gajing mai u bala set arsin chesun hanrai nyong nyak gatrok u klem sange ban persyang tenrak ya u kumta andala yoi ba kajing im jong u kadon jingma utau sipai BSF ula siat biang sin syakajaka jong gatrok hanrai nyong nyak ula khun syakadiang bat takhu
Wakadai village had cautioned the driver to stop for checking. Instead of stopping, the driver tried to escape by hitting and running over the BSF personnel on duty. The personnel on duty, sensing danger, had fired 2 rounds in the air at an interval, but the driver did not stop and tried to hit the personnel on duty. Seeing imminent threat to his life, the personnel again fired round towards the tire of the truck with an intention to stop the vehicle, but the driver turned his vehicle towards left and collided with the divider. Sir, in connection with the first information report filed by officials of BSF, a case by Penusla PS case number 13 5 in bracket 2023 under section 307/34/353 IPC has been registered and the investigation is in progress. Sir, the investigation of both the cases are ensuing and the police officials are putting in sincere efforts to ascertain the facts and circumstances of both the cases. Sir, it may be pointed out that the gunning down of the victim had sparked the ear of the local populace and law and order situation had arisen. Sir, in view of the tense situation in the area, security has been tightened and Meghalaya Police is keeping a close watch of the situation. Mr. Speaker, sir, as of now, the situation is normal in the area. Sir, I once again take this opportunity to thank the honourable member of this August House Sri Kevin Malem, MLA of Sora Constituency, for tabling this zero notice under Rule 49A of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business to discuss on matter pertaining to the incident which occurred in Punusla on 5th May 2023. Sir.